The underground reservoir held military strategic importance. During the Philippine Revolution, the Katipunan attempted to seize the El Deposito from Spanish colonial authorities in the Battle of San Juan del Monte in 1896 and was held by the Filipinos during the Philippine-American War. It was used as an armory by the Americans during the colonial administration and by the Imperial Japanese forces during their occupation of the Philippines in World War II. It was also used as a pulmonary hospital specifically for tuberculosis patients and as a firing range. El Deposito was recaptured by the Allied forces in 1945, but later fell to disuse after the War of the Philippine Independence from the United States. Efforts to rehabilitate the underground reservoir began in 2016 when the University of the Philippines Archaeological Students Program conducted an assessment and excavation of the structure.